Hi, this is John with Moreland Connect. I'm here with Jeff today, and we're going to share with you a little bit more detail on how we manage projects and how we blend the waterfall and agile methodologies into what we do at Moreland to successfully build software. Jeff?
Thanks, John. It's interesting too, the way a project starts for us many times is in a first meeting where a client, like you remember the one in the insurance industry, where they said, this is our issue, but we have thousands of users and it just isn't efficient for us anymore. What can we do? And we said, well, we could do an iPhone app, we could do this. And they said, holy cow, you can do all those things? We said, yes. So we started with them on day one, really working to define what they wanted, understanding their business and how they wanted to run it, how they wanted to improve it. And then if you remember, we did screen design down to the minute detail, talked to them about it, got their feedback, and built it together.
Right. Yeah, I think one of the things we do really well is we blend the initial requirements with the agile methodology.
Yeah.
Agile method is really hot topic these days in tech. And what it is you meet as a group, you have a stand up, you say what I'm going to do today, you go off and build something, and then you come back and say, how is this? It works well for a small website or a really tiny project, but when you're building software that's going to run an entire company, it's important that you gather requirements and have some semblance of a design to start things out. So can you talk about some of the projects we've done a good job at that?
Yeah, Agile, I think for small projects, it makes sense. And it's a wonderful thing if you have an unlimited budget and unlimited time, but we don't and our clients don't. So what we do is chunk out those Agile steps into 1 or 2 week chunks and sort of waterfall over that so that we say, we're going to accomplish these things. We don't know every last detail of what we're going to accomplish in these 2 or 3 weeks, but we'll figure that out as we get through it. But we don't say we're going to figure out this whole project as we go.
Right.
So what that means is that we have, when the pressure is on, we'll have daily stand-ups where we'll take our whole team and all of the clients and we take 15 minutes and walk through what's in our way,
right,
what's getting done, what are we going to get done today. And it really gives us great outcomes.
Yeah, I think we do a great job of taking those bits of the agile methodology and overlaying a waterfall on top of those to, like you said, end at a better state than where we started. And each of those methods on their own have a lot of shortcomings, but when you blend them together, they work really well.
That's right. And we can be very fast, very responsive, very flexible, but still wrap it within structure that's required to make a project work.
Right. So if you'd like to learn more about that and other things that we do at Moreland Connect, please feel free to give us a call at the number on the screen or just go on the web and check us out at morelandconnect.com.